Welcome friends. In this tutorial, we will be learning about conditional statements. Here, we'll start with if-else statement. But first, we have to clear our project and delete this operators file. For that, right-click upon that file and select delete. OK. Go to project and let's clean our project. Let's clear the console and we are good to go. Now, conditional statements are very important when you have to decide whether to follow. We are into our work project. Create a new C source file and we will name it condition.c. We'll create a new file for us and now I'm writing the code and explaining you. As you can see, we have borrowed some code from our previous example where we have two variables a and b and their values are 10 and 5 respectively. Now let's go ahead and write an if statement, which is if inside this bracket we have to give the condition which we want to check. So let me write down a greater than b. Here greater than is a relational operator. So this statement will check whether a is greater than b or not. And if it returns true, then our program will execute this set of statements. Let's simply put a print over here and say a is greater than b. If the condition is false, then it will not execute this path. So let's save our file and run it. Because 10 is greater than 5, therefore a is greater than b, and so that our program executes this statement which prints a is greater than b. But if we slightly change our program and make the value of b is equal to 50, we save it and run it again, it prints nothing because this block of code is not being executed. This is how if statement works in C. Now let's go ahead and have a look at else. When we use if and else together, it gives us the opportunity to execute a specific block of statements if the condition is false. Let's say in this case b is greater than a. Let's save it and run this program. It says b is greater than a. Why? Because in the else block we have this b is greater than a statement, and because our condition was false, it executes the else block. This is how we can work with if-else statements and make decisions in our program. That's it for this conditional statements tutorial. Thank you.